Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Unspoken Crime Murders, and the title of the video is 300-pound woman tries to outrun the police, then learns a hard lesson. Ooh-wee, not 300 pounds. Come on now. Let's go. Let's get into it.
God, oh my God. Can you please not write me a summons?
Nicole, what's your date of birth?
I don't have my information, man.
I got one running.
Great. I told you to leave me alone.
We know what you're...
Don't touch me, black man. Get the
Hang on.
Get off my arm.
Nice and easy.
Get off my arm.
Whoa, hang
Get
on.
off my arm.
Out. See that?
You big. Get off me.
Now.
Get the fuck off. Too much pressure.
No.
We've all experienced the frustration of waiting in long lines at the DMV, whether for a new ID or to register a car. In today's episode, a woman faced a similar situation. She was waiting to renew her ID and after 30 minutes grew increasingly agitated when her number had yet to be called. Her frustration escalated to the point where she began threatening the employees. The staff did not take her threats lightly and promptly called the local police. Here's what happened next.
Because at minimum, this is disorderly conduct. It was you she threatened, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Purple pants, blue hoodie. White wrap. All right.
After taking the victim's statement, the officer obtained a full description of the suspect. The victim stated that the suspect was last seen walking toward the shopping plaza. Little did the officer know, things were about to take an extremely wild turn.
Hey, then I got to the end. Yes.
What did I do?
Yep, going into the testing center yelling at everybody.
Where?
The testing center.
No, I apologize.
What's your
I
first
forgot
one?
my ID.
Huh? You don't have your ID?
No, I'm trying to keep my ID.
Okay. Where, do you have it on you?
No, I don't have ID.
All right, what's your first and last?
I didn't do anything, man.
How you spell your last name?
Oh, God, please, just tell me to leave it alone. I'll be gone, I'm gone.
No, I'm writing you a summons for disorderly conduct.
I
Stop
don't want
walking.
no summons.
What is your, how you spell your last name?
M-A-T-H-Y, man. Why you give me a summons, man?
A-D-E-R.
T-H-Y.
All right, what's your date of birth?
Why? That's not disorderly conduct.
What's your social?
I don't know my social.
What's your date of birth?
I don't know. Man.
What is
whoa.
your date of birth?
Oh, my God. Oh, my God. Can you please not write me a summons?
Nicole, what's your date of birth?
I don't have
She ain't got a date
I
of
don't
birth.
have my fucking information, man.
You don't know your date of birth. You don't know when you were born.
Why did they call the cops?
A9, can I have another unit?
What did I do? Oh,
Nicole,
man.
I will arrest you.
What do you want? You
immediately.
said you was
I'm
gonna give me a
asking for your date of
summons.
birth.
You just called somebody, bro.
I need your date of
What do
birth.
you want from me?
Your date of birth.
Man, leave me alone.
Nicole. I got one running.
Boy, you better catch up, man. Ain't no way. She's too big to outrun you now.
You're mean. You're mean. You're an awful person. Tell me
You have got to be kidding me. The only reason they caught her is because she slipped and fell, and as big as she is, this is a linebacker. You hear me? Wait, hold on now. This is not even a line. This is a lineman, man. We gotta run it back. We gotta run it back. We have to. That officer should be ashamed of himself, man.
what from me?
Your date of birth.
Man, leave me alone.
Nicole. I got one running.
Come on, run. Come on, officer. Let's go. Get him. Oh, Timber. Come on,
mean.
man.
You're mean. You're an awful person. Tell me to jail. God damn it!
All right, Rock, let's do something. Stand up. Are you injured?
Oh,
Stand up.
oh, don't touch me. The evil vendors are after me. Just leave me alone.
Come on, stand up.
What?
Stand up.
What? I'm gonna get what?
Stand up.
What do you want?
Stand up.
Just tell me what you want.
She
Don't put me
holding
like
on to that cigarette for dear life, boy.
He wants to put me in jail. For what?
Stop pulling for me.
What?
Let's act like an
Oh
adult
my
and stand up.
God! Why do y'all do this to me? Oh my God! This is so fucking
Stop pulling away.
crazy. Stop hurting my arm.
Come on, you gotta stand up. You're gonna get run over by a car.
Oh my God! I just got out of jail, bro. Fucking Christ!
Oh, nice.
Come
Ah!
on, stand up.
What do you want?
I want you to stand up. I just told you that.
Oh my God! Y'all is insane! Oh Jesus! Don't put me back in jail. For what? What do you want? What is this? Don't smoke my cigarette. You're a mean person, man. Somebody cuss the little clerk out, you get mad and call the cop. That's all that happens. Shit! Why you keep fucking doing me like this, man?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get high when I get out. Is that the problem? I can't get no money. I can't do anything. I can't do nothing. Ridiculous, man. Every fucking time I get a chance, I'm back in the motherfucking wagon.
All right, let's pick her up, bro. Okay. Ready?
Where am I going?
Right there. You're gonna go sit in the back of that too, bro.
For what? Oh my God. Y'all are sad, dude. Oh my God. Don't touch me.
Where the sergeant body cam,
Man,
man?
you just fucking toe up, man. I just got out of jail.
Get in there.
Man, where the sergeant body cam, man? Because I need to see his angle, because I want to know why this officer couldn't catch this lineman, okay? And the only reason she got caught is because she tripped and fell.
Can I go in his car?
No, just hop in the cruiser.
Where are you taking me?
To the jail.
To jail? For real?
Yeah, get in there.
For what?
For running from me. Go.
You said you was giving me the summons. Why would you call a paddy wagon?
You call Petty Wagon.
Why did you call another unit?
Get in there. I don't want to have to push you in. Come on.
No, man. I'm
Just
not
hop in
going
the
to
cruiser.
I'm not going to jail right now, man.
All right, get in the cruiser.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me, man.
Get in the
Don't
cruiser.
fucking touch me. I will go to prison for your ass. Fucking touch me.
Go in the cruiser.
You never tell me why I'm going to
I
jail.
just told you for running from me.
Man, you didn't say I was arrested.
You kept me from doing my job.
Why would you do that?
That's called obstruction.
Why would you put me in jail for disorderly conduct?
Get in the cruiser.
Why would you put me in jail for disorderly conduct, man? I don't want to go to jail. I didn't do anything. I did not do anything. I didn't do anything, man. I want to go. I'm not going to jail for nothing. Don't fucking touch me. Don't fucking touch me.
Stop.
What are you doing?
Stop.
Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Y'all gotta go to jail for nothing again. I'm so sick of this shit.
Come on, Nicole.
I'm going to jail for nothing again. I'm going to jail for nothing again, bro. I just came out here to get my fucking ID in my car. That's it. Y'all fuck got me f***ed up. No. Y'all got me f***ed up, man. Let me smoke my cigarette. Let me go smoke my fucking cigarette. No. Love me. Y'all fucking sad.
Nicole, can you act like an adult?
No, you shouldn't have did nothing to me. This is f***ed up.
Nicole.
We'll be here all fucking day.
That's fine.
That's fucked up.
Get in the cruiser.
No. No. I'm in that bitch all the time. I want to get high. I want to get high. I don't care. You fucking officers ain't shit. I want to go. No. I ain't going nowhere. No, I ain't do shit. Fuck you fucking monkey bitch. Monkey. Fucking monkey bitch. Monkey. Monkey bitch. I ain't paying no damn law. Y'all sad. I'm not going down to no fucking police station. You could roll me a summons, bitch. Don't walk. My arm will break, bitch. And you will go to fucking
stand up,
jail
man.
your f***ing self.
Nice and easy. Stand up.
Get off of me, man.
Go down, seat there.
What, man? That's all y'all had to do. Our fucking shoes right there, dumbass bitch. Damn, man. Get the fuck off my arm, man. Oh my God. Why
And she
y'all
bald.
asking me for stupid shit? Damn. Fucking touch me, man.
Here's the counter.
What the fuck? I gotta sit in there for how long?
I'm not sure what your charges are.
I don't fucking care about my charges, man. I didn't do shit.
Maybe you can find out if it's misdemeanor stuff.
Oh my God, I'm really going to Barbara to jail, bro?
Hang on.
Don't fucking look at me, bitch.
Okay.
This is sad.
I want to explain the process to you.
Oh my God, this is so sad, though.
I know. But do you want? I know. But do you want to get out at some point?
Hell yeah.
Great.
I told you to leave me
Do
alone.
we know what charges they are offhand? DOC.
I've got DOC and obstructing official business.
What's that?
Where's
M2?
DLC?
All right. M2.
What's fucking DLC, man?
Disorderly conduct.
For what?
Okay.
Disorder to who?
You're not going anywhere until you call me.
I left out the building like the man told me to, man.
All right.
You fucking stupid idiot.
Here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna take cuffs off one at a time, but we gotta put these on you, okay?
I'm not putting on my cuffs on, man.
Yes, ma'am, we are.
For
That's
what?
our policy.
I can't use the bathroom with that shit, man.
McCall, if you can grab that arm.
I
Well,
see
this
you
is
big
until-
ass bitch.
Okay, we're done
You
ducking it.
fucking put me in the county. Every fucking time you get a fucking chance. Don't touch me, black man. Get your
Hang on,
fuck
hang
off.
on, hang on, hang on.
Get off my arm,
Hang on,
bitch.
nice and easy.
Get off my fucking arm,
Whoa,
bitch.
whoa, whoa, hang
Get
on.
off my fucking arm,
Right
bitch.
here now. See, now you gotta go right here.
Ass off me, man. You big bitch. Get off me, bitch. She is a monkey, bitch. I don't give a fuck, man. I told you to leave me the fuck alone.
All right, now that one goes.
I told you I will beat your fat ass up, bitch.
all right.
You ain't shit to me, bitch. Y'all keep putting me in this fucking hole. Every time I get a fucking chance.
Before you hurt
I swear
yourself.
to God. Get the fuck off me, man. Get the fuck off. Too much pressure.
Oh, no.
Those are stupid.
So 55 and I want to take her out.
Thank you. You guys ready?
Typed out. You're ready to go.
It is
Call
ready?
the monkey.
All right.
Now, you're not going to spit on these officers, are you?
No, I'm done.
All right.
Let me ask you something. Would you like to put your shoes on?
Yeah.
Okay. What we're gonna do, we'll take your cuffs off here. You be calm. Okay? We'll let you put your shoes on. Deal?
Deal.
Okay. Go ahead and stand up for me, ma'am. Can you go ahead and put your hands behind your back? We'll give you a ride up there.
The woman was eventually arrested and faced a slew of charges, including assaulting an officer. Our advice for her, we hope she doesn't attempt any 40-yard dashes anytime soon.
Watch when I get in the mood. Bow. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.